Looking for the best streaming devices of 2025? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best streaming devices, offering seamless streaming, stunning visuals, and easy access to all your favorite content. Trust me, our number 1 pick is a total game changer. Links to each pick are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. The Roku Ultra 2024 is the ultimate streaming device that offers an impressive 4K experience with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support, delivering vibrant, lifelike visuals. With Dolby Atmos support, you can also enjoy immersive sound that makes your movies and shows feel more realistic. The device comes with a rechargeable Voice Remote Pro with backlit buttons, making it convenient for late-night streaming. Featuring Wi-Fi 6 support, it ensures a faster and more stable connection for smooth streaming, even in crowded networks. Plus, with Bluetooth compatibility, you can easily connect your favorite wireless headphones or speakers for a personalized audio experience. The Roku Ultra also gives you access to free and live TV, offering an array of entertainment options. Whether you're binge-watching the latest series or enjoying a movie night, this device has everything you need for a top-tier streaming experience. Number 4. The Google TV Streamer 4K is a powerful streaming device designed to enhance your viewing experience. Offering 4K HDR streaming, this device supports a range of content including movies, TV shows, and live TV with crystal clear visuals. Its built-in voice search remote allows for easy navigation, enabling you to search for your favorite content with just your voice. The 32 GB of storage lets you store your apps and media files for quicker access, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. You can even control your smart home devices directly through Google TV, offering seamless integration with other Google products. With support for popular streaming services like Netflix and YouTube, this device is ideal for those looking for a fast, intuitive way to enjoy all their favorite content in 4K. If you're already in the Google ecosystem, this is a perfect companion to bring your TV to life. Number 3. The Apple TV 4K, 3rd generation, brings the best of Apple's ecosystem into your living room with superior 4K HDR quality. This model features Siri Remote for voice control, allowing you to navigate, search, and control playback with ease. It supports both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections, providing a stable streaming experience. With access to the Apple TV library and a variety of third-party apps, this streaming device offers an extensive selection of movies, TV shows, and sports content. The device also comes with 128 GB of storage, giving you plenty of space to download apps and media for offline viewing. For Apple users, the seamless integration with the ecosystem is a major bonus, as you can easily switch between devices and use features like AirPlay. If you're looking for an all-around powerful streaming player with excellent performance, the Apple TV 4K is an excellent choice. Number 2. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the latest model in Amazon's lineup and brings Wi-Fi 6E support for faster streaming. With 4K UHD support and Dolby Vision and HDR10, the device delivers stunning visuals and immersive sound. Enjoy your favorite movies, shows, and live TV, all without the need for a cable or satellite subscription. The Alexa voice remote allows you to control your TV with just your voice, making it easy to search for content, adjust volume, and even control smart home devices. Whether you're streaming Netflix, Prime Video, or YouTube, this streaming stick offers a seamless experience with access to thousands of apps. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is compact yet powerful, making it a perfect addition to any TV. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance streaming device, this is definitely one to consider. Number 1. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K is the best value for anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful streaming device. This compact stick delivers 4K HDR content with support for Dolby Vision, offering incredible picture quality at an affordable price. The voice remote allows you to easily search for movies, shows, and apps, while also controlling the TV's power and volume. With Roku's user-friendly interface, navigating through channels like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney is a breeze. It also comes with Apple AirPlay and Google Assistant integration, adding more functionality for those already invested in smart home devices. The device's Wi-Fi 6 support ensures stable and fast streaming, reducing buffering and interruptions. Whether you're new to streaming or upgrading an existing setup, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K offers excellent performance and value at a very competitive price.